All right. Algebraic reasoning review 3.1 to 3.3. This is numbers 11, 12. I think it's 11, 12, 34, 11 through 16. It says verify the following tables, graphs, and equations are inverses of each other. Okay, so basically what you're doing is you're trying to say, hey, did they actually switch x and y appropriately? And so on a table, we're going to compare the x's to the y's and only do the ones you can find. So like, I got a negative 3 here, and I got a negative 3 there, and they both have the same y value. Those are the same. Okay, so that's good. Let me erase that. I'm going to write it a little differently. I'm going to zoom in. So that one and that one, they match. Do I have a negative 1? Do I have a 1? No. Do I have a 3 negative? Oh, 3 negative 14. And over here, negative 14, 3. Sweet. So I'm just checking the y's versus the x's and find the ones that are the same and see if they have the same y value. Because at this point, it is reasonable to assume that yes, these could be inverses. All right, I have no evidence to the contrary. So we'll just say, yeah, they're inverses. We'll go with it. Number 12, same idea. There's no, we'll compare the x's to the y's, find the ones that are same. So like 4 and 4, those both have 4s, and yeah, they're the same. 8 and 8, and in this case, those ones right there are. Let me write that better. Those ones right there, those are not the same because that's 8 5, that's 0 8. Okay, they are not swapped. So this one is a no. Cool. Let's move down a little bit. Let's go down to here. Graphs. Graphs are the easiest ones. The easiest ones to do. So what I want you to do, take a straight edge. Now I don't have a straight edge, so I got to do this the best I can with what I got. And draw a 45-degree line. Draw that y equals x line right through the middle of it. All right, and then turn it to the right a little bit and look. Is this side a perfect mirror image of that side? All right, do they go across evenly? In this case, the answer is, well, no. They don't, so it's not an inverse. They are reflections of each other. They probably are related in some form or another, but they are not inverses. Number 14, same idea. So draw your 45-degree angle. Again, use a straight edge. Mr. Hunter can't use a straight edge on his laptop, or at least haven't figured out how to yet. Ooh, I might have. Yeah, there's a straight line if I ever saw one. That's cool. Let's see if I can do that a little better. Let's make it yellow, and let's do there. So we're going to go from here. Nope, that was bad. We're going to go from there. Stop it. Go from there. Perfect. All the way to there. There's my straight line. And if you look at it, yeah, it is a mirror image of itself. Like this side perfectly mirrors that side. Another way of looking at it is if I go from here to the line, that's the same distance as from the line to here, that sort of thing. Those are the same distances all the way across. All right? So, yeah. All right, the last ones. These ones you kind of have to actually solve. All right, like number 15, you just got to solve it and see if you come up with the same thing. So I'm going to switch x and y over here. So that's x equals 2y squared minus 7 and see if my answer is that. Okay, so we'll add the 7, 2y squared, divide by 2, x plus 7 divided by 2. We're still looking good because that's an x plus 7 divided by 2 right there. And then we'll square root it. So plus or minus the square root of x plus 7 over 2 equals y. And the answer is, yeah, those are identical. Cool, so yes. Number 16, same idea. Verify that these are inverses of each other. So again, x equals negative 4 y minus 5 squared plus 7. All right, so to move the 7 over, we got to subtract it. So that's x minus 7 equals negative 4 y plus 5 squared. And now here's the fun part. Can already notice that, you notice how you get an x minus 7 over here and you have an x plus 7 over there? You can already tell that this isn't going to work out. I'm going to finish it, but you can already tell at this point. From here, you got to multiply by negative 4, so we'll divide by negative 4, so that's x minus 7 divided by negative 4 equals y plus 5 squared. Again, you got a negative 4 down here, you got a positive 4 over there, so again, we can already tell it's not going to work, but I'll still finish it out. So that's the square root of x minus 7 over 4 equals y plus 5. And then last but not least, let's subtract the 5. So that's negative 5 plus or minus the square root of x minus 7 over negative 4. It's supposed to be a negative over there. Equals y. And last I checked, that does not match that. So no. There you go.